Welcome back. Last time I showed you how to get the white chick trend done. But last time I showed you it with an app and it cost something. This time I will show it to you totally for free and you just need a computer with 8 to 12 gigabytes of VRAM. So let me show you the final output. This absolutely does not seem right, but I can't give you the tone because of copyright issues. So let me first grab my lyrics and let me sing along. Making my way downtown, walking fast, business pass and I'm homebound. Do 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 do, and I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder. So, if you did not recognize it, both people in the video are me. And how to do this for free? Let me show you. First step. So first of all, let me switch the screen. You now see my full screen. I open a new tab and open something called Pinokio.co. If you don't know about it, it's just an interface where we can use different models, download them, use them, and we are happy to go. So just click on install Pinokio, then you download the version, either the Windows version, the Mac version or the Linux version. Download it. If you have finished to download it, you will get a tool and then just finish it. So I close this one. I open for you Pinokio because I already installed it. I use a Windows machine right here, but it works the same on every other tool after the installation. Then I open you my site, and the first thing is I already have the FaceFusion and I'm using FaceFusion 3.8 for this tutorial. But right now I will search for you. Here you can explore everything that is uploaded. And yeah, there are a lot of things over here. I later will show you anything else because there are really other models where you can for free create AI videos. But right now, when you are on the main page, you can search for apps. And I used FaceFusion in the end, entered it, and I see a lot of different versions. It was this 3.6 version, 3.5 and everything else in here. So I installed the latest version, which is already featured. Just click on here, install it. If you not have already installed it, I already did it. So just click here, it will install it. If it is installed, you will see it in your Pinokio over here. I take the latest version and I see it over here. You should see something same. If not, comment below, I will help you. Yes. Then, most important thing is, click on a server. It should not be available at the beginning. Just activate your home server because this is the network on which the local host or your server will run on your device, so you can use the model. If you click it on the first time, Pinokio will say you have to install something. Just click to install. It's just Anaconda and different partitions of Python, so you can run it on your local machine. If everything is set up, just click here. We are already in the FaceFusion latest. So if you don't remember where I went, click here, FaceFusion latest, click on run default, and something should start. It's starting to shell and we have to wait for some seconds. And after a few seconds, everything is running. You see this QR code, which you can scan on another device to go to the FaceFusion server, or we can simply copy the URL. Go to your favorite browser, open a new tab and insert the URL. And oh yeah, we have FaceFusion open. Crazy as that. I show you some easy settings. First of all, you have a source. A source is an image of you or someone else, like the source you want to put new on the video. And the target should be the video where you will put it to. So I open my Explorer, then I'm looking for maybe the original video, which should be this one. This will be my target video. I just got it from Instagram somewhere. And then you see already on the right side the preview. And then I'm taking a profile picture of me. Oh yeah, that's some dude over there. And you see here we want to use a face swapper. If you have later on any questions to different settings, etc., ask me in the comments below. I will make an explicit video for this. And if you're still here, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Okay, let's go on. I'm using the CUDA support because I have a CUDA device in here. Yes, you can use the Hugging Face and like everything over here. You can ignore it at the beginning. The most important thing is, if I have now my face in here, you have on the right hand side the face selector mode, and this is a reference. So if I click on the right model, you will later see, after I start running, that the right hand side face will be changed. Let me do it. We have to wait some seconds because we get here, okay, it's processing step 1 of this, and then you see over here how long it will take. So it's pretty fast to recreate a video. And once it was finished, you see right here already a preview of the video where my face is on the right hand side of the video. But somebody maybe has the idea to not only be Terry Crews but everybody in the video, like you saw at the beginning. So in this case, you can simply just go over here, don't use the reference, use many, then you can keep all those settings and recreate it, because in this version it selects every face in the video except the dog's face, because it didn't even get it in the reference, because this model is looking currently for human faces. And then replaces my face with it. We already saw this, but I recreated it anyways. It will take some time, but not for you, because I can speed up the video. So it's a new video time. I scroll up and I see, ooh, also my face is on the girl's face. So you can see it on both sides. I can change every face, and this is absolutely for free. You just need the resources. And I guess 8 GB of RAM should be possible for most of your computers out there. Otherwise, you need the alternative which I showed you in the previous video. If you don't know the video, I will link it to you in the description. You can download it over here and get your own trend and replace the head with everybody you want to replace it to. And if you have some recommendations for other models or learning anything else in this app, just comment below. Thank you.